A sunny morning shines on a green meadow near a small farmhouse. A fluffy white lamb plays happily in the grass. The lamb's mother grazes nearby, keeping a gentle eye on her playful child. The lamb hears a creak and notices the farmhouse door left wide open. The mother sheep wanders closer to investigate, unaware of danger inside. Inside the farmhouse, a stack of heavy wooden crates begins to wobble dangerously. The lamb suddenly realizes his mother is in danger and gasps. The crates tilt further, ready to crash down on the mother sheep. The little lamb runs as fast as his tiny legs can carry him. He leaps forward and nudges his mother just in time. Crash! The crates smash onto the ground, missing them by inches. The mother sheep trembles, realizing her little lamb saved her life. She hugs her lamb tightly with her head and neck. The farmer rushes in, hearing the crash, and sees the crates broken. The farmer smiles gently, realizing the brave lamb is the hero. Outside, birds sing as if celebrating the little lamb's courage. The lamb skips happily, feeling proud of his bravery. The mother sheep follows closely, never letting her lamb out of sight. Other farm animals gather around, amazed at the lamb's courage. The lamb looks up at his mother with a proud little smile. Together, they walk into the golden sunset, safe and full of love.